Okay, this video we will look at how to use this remote and this remote. And this is a RF remote for 33 MHz, and this is IR remote. You can see this is IR, and this is RF antenna. And this is a TV remote. So you can see I can control this board. This is my IR remote. 4, 3, 2, 1, and when I control it out, on and off. Also, I can use this. This is IR. You can see I can turn on relay 1, turn off relay 1. I define this key 3 is turn off, turn on relay 2, and 4 is turn off, and turn on, turn off. So this can have 2 different ways to control the output. And in this video, I will show you how to do this. And because we have designed the server board include our ESP32, the ESP32 you can see it here. You can see there are ESP32. That is work for decode. This is RF receive module, and this is IR receive. So when I press this key, the signal will received by this receive module, and this ESP32 will decode and send the message to this CPU. That is the Kinkoni ARM CPU. And when I press this button, like this, it turn on relay 1, the IR signal will send to this receive module, this IR receive module. Also, the ESP32 will decode the IR signal and send the message to this CPU. So let's look at this step. The first step, we should install the ESP32 USB driver for the server, because you can see here is the USB cable. So we need to install the driver firstly and download this file. This is driver, and install it. Install this ESP32 driver. And you can see this device manager in Windows that have a port. Now I can connect with this cable. This is Type-C USB. I connect it. Then Windows PC will find this COM6, maybe another COM number. Just will generate a new COM port. And now you need to use an Arduino IDE code to download our demo source code and to change something. You can download the Arduino code just from this URL, and you will download the newest tools from this Arduino website. And after you download, you just need to configure the ESP32. This we have showed as this article, so you can do this step by step. So you can see how to download and how to set, and it's easy, not difficult. And just install the ESP32 development board. And this is install the Arduino and configure the ESP32 for the Arduino. And then you can install RC switch Arduino library, the RC switch, because we use this library to decode the RF signal. So you can see the manager library. We can input RC switch. This is RC switch we have installed. You just click this install online before your first time to use. And then you can see this step 6 have complete, and you can download this source code we have write for decode the RF and decode the IR demo source code. So you can download, and after you download, you can open it. You will find this source code. Then you just need to decode and to replace the key code, because every button you can see there have many buttons. The different button will have different key code. So we need to find out the key code and just replace this number. Like this is channel 1, and this is channel 2, and until channel 16. So you can replace this one, and this is a command sent to the CPU that toggling the relay, which relay, like this is relay 4, and this is relay 5. That is for toggling. So we can running just upload and download to your server, and we can click this server monitor when the program is running. So I can press this button 1, and you can see this is the code. That is code for my button 1. Here is the number of button 1, and I can press this button. This is button 2. You can see this code, key code, and this button 2. So you just decode. You can see your remote, because why we use this ESP32 to decode? You can use any remote. So you can just find out a 433 MHz remote and press the key, and you will see the key code, and just replace at this section. So you can use your own remote. And such as we have used this sound off, because we have used this channel 1, but this time I want to use this sound off remote. This you can see the button I press, but how to press this button to control relay 1? You can see I can clear and press this button 1. You can see this is the code, this code for sound off and the button 1. So I just need to copy this code and paste, replace this code, just paste, and you can upload the freeware to the board. Then you will find this button will be used to control the relay 1. Just wait for a moment. Okay, let's test it. You can see I can press this button, and then the relay 1 will be on, and this is the switch panel, off, on, and off. Also, you will see this mobile phone when I press on and off, the state will update. And this time, now you can press this button. This will not work. So the key code have replaced this one, and instead of this old one. So you can choose any remote, just detect the key code firstly, and then you just set on your Arduino IDE code. So this section is for RF remote, for this type of remote and this type of remote. And you can see here is the IR. That is IR. Also is as same as this function. Just replace the command. You can see this is my TV remote. You can use maybe other device, just IR remote. When you press this button, we can open this serial monitor. And you can see I can press this button 1, just the section to this way, because they are have a receive IR receive module. You can see I can press 1. That is decode the IR signal. Because we use this NEC code. The NEC code is widely used. Many TV and DVD use the NEC code. And we can see this command. This is the command. You can see when I press the button 1, and I can press the button 2. This is the command. And the button 3, and you can see the command. And the button 4, and you can see the command. So you just replace this command to this command. That is for turn on relay 1. This protocol is turn on relay 1, and this protocol is turn off relay 1. So there are different protocol for demo show you. That is for toggling. That is for toggling. Just one key for on and off change the state. And that is for one key is for turn on relay, and another key is for turn off relay. So this key will not just I can press one time, you can press again. That's just turn on relay 1. And this button 2 is turn off relay 1. That is this command. So I can press is turn off, but I can press again. Just only have sent the turn off relay this command. So you can just decode the command and decode the different command. This is a different command, and replace at this if command. So that will be for 16 channel on and off at this section. So you just change this code, like this key code, and you can detect by your mobile, by your IR remote and replace it, and then you can press this upload. So that the functions will as you IR remote how to control. Maybe you press this button and to turn on sound release, not only one release, sound release, and turn off sound release. Just it's up to you. So this is how to use this IR remote and IF remote for the KC868 server. That is why we designed this ESP32 module to decode the signal, so that you can use this code to do anything for any sense model set by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching.